All right, so I'm back at it. I don't know if you guys watched in my video, but my steering wheel has got a lot of feedback in it, and my hands are pretty messed up from years of work, and I complain a lot about it. And I think everyone's sick of hearing me complain about it when we're camping, but I got this is the 250 watt power steering from Cartech, and I purchased, excuse my mess over here, but I've got the 650 watt power steering kit from E-Power Steering. So this is much beefier, way bigger unit, and I need to get that in before Thanksgiving because I can't drive this car like this anymore. It hurts my hands too much. So that's what we're gonna do. I gotta take this one out. I think I'm just gonna unbolt it and get rid of that. I might even be able to reuse this plate with the new power steering unit. I don't know. I gotta figure it out. That's what we're gonna do today. It's a real Taco Bell fan right there. Like, the car matches the Taco Bell logo. They love Taco Bell.
Time. Hey, I'd say it's not bad from starting at 2:30. Junk has been sitting there. Wow, finally bought that thing.
Welcome to Ginsburg Hitchworks.
That's actually not a bad name.
So if you fuck up and put a dumb bumper on your truck and you can't use your stock hitch, James will fix it for you.
Yeah.
Just like that, our booth is set up merch. We still got set up.
Oh, that was lighting my shot, but whatever.
These cars down for the night.
So at Ginsburg's Hitchworks, we got this nice hitch all finished up. It's looking good, James. Yeah.
Oh,
I was handing him tools, and I had to find one of
Solid.
these for him.
Solid.
It's hot. Careful, guys. It's very hot.
Don't touch that.
Yeah, it's
Don't
hot.
touch that.
But look at this work, man.
It's not all
Them welds. Look at them welds. Those sweet welds. If someone would just make a song about James's sweet welds. Oh wait, I did that already. It's good stuff, guys.
Good stuff, guys.
Anything to say?
It's all done.
Done.
On to the next one.
Done.
It's getting there.
Next.
5 days, held up in a hotel.
What?
Young, selfish, smoking, dating, got sick.
I really like the work that you've done here on this trailer hitch, brother, but there's one thing that I think that's kind of fucked up.
It's not good, it sucks.
Right there. That's fucked up. There you go. blinker was on this whole time. Well, this is as far as I got. I stripped out all my steering components. I actually still need to take this off. I'm gonna clean it up and paint it. But I got all the power steering stuff off of the car. My rack is sitting there on the ground. I gotta disconnect the tie rods because, yeah, I had to kind of force it out of its location because my linkage from the power steering to that is so short that it's kind of a problem. I'm gonna cut this out, and I think I might make a bracket so it sits out here a little bit further to help me with this linkage here. It just is so short right there. That's hard to deal with. But I gotta check to make sure that this angle, that doesn't put this at too much of an angle where it's gonna, you know, have issues turning here. But I ordered the new shafts and whatnot for the power steering unit to match those splines. And I got all these wires for wiring stuff here. So yeah, and this wire is on the way, and I got a ground that's just as heavy duty. It's 8 gauge ground. So that wiring should be here tomorrow, or tomorrow. So hopefully I'll be able to start wiring and at least get that started while I wait for the U-joints, which will be here on Monday. Stay tuned. Hopefully this power steering is way better than what I had. I've been doing a terrible job of documenting what I'm doing, but like I said, I'm putting a new power steering unit in, and yesterday, I'll throw some photos up here, because I did take some photos, but this is the new rack mount that I made yesterday, and I still need to make a mount for the ECU, which I think I'm going to put, I'd like to put it over here somewhere. I want to try to get it out of the weather, but that's kind of tough with a car that's wide open in the front. And the wires are kind of short. Maybe I'll make the mount right here. That would get it up a little bit higher. That actually looks like a good spot, doesn't it? It's funny because I want it to be in some airflow, but I don't want it to get wet. So, yeah, I don't know. I think I will put it up there on that top. The wires will reach, the plugs will reach. That might be the jam. But that's what I'm working on now. Then I have to remake all my joints and wire it all up. Which I got this heavy duty wire, I think that's 8 gauge, 6 gauge maybe, that goes to from the battery, which is that mess of wires and stuff down there, all the way up to the front to the motor to power it. This should be a huge improvement from, I had a 250 watt unit in there, and this is a 650 watt, and it's adjustable. You got an adjustment knob on there that I'm gonna put up on my steering wheel or something, so I can adjust the sensitivity of it or the strength of it. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing today. We'll see how far I get. Peace out. My GoPro's acting really weird. So I think I have found a spot where I'm going to mount the ECU. I think I'm going to put it, oh God. I think I'm going to put it right down here like this, vertical. I'm going to go over to James's house and make a bracket. He's got a bender, I don't, and or a finger brake, I should say. So I'm going to make this bracket here over there for that. And I'm going to have to cut off this tab here. It needs to go away. And I don't know what this was for. It's something from previous owner, but I'm going to cut that off too. Yep, those two things should be ready to mount the ECU, and I think that's the last. We'll have to mount the button, this little adjustment button. It's not button, I guess it's a knob, so you can adjust the intensity of the power steering. And then I'm waiting on a part from the fitting for the end of this, and then I can rebuild the steering shafts. I believe I have everything I need for that, and then I can go for a test drive and see if I like this power steering better, which I'm pretty sure I'm gonna like it better. But we're gonna go to James's house and cut up this piece of metal and come back and weld it in. We're over at James's house. James is over here prepping his car, very busy, and of course I'm here to bug him. Good morning.
Wasn't you slowing me down?
What?
I would get a lot of things done. I don't know that good word right there.
So I'm gonna go use this Swag off-road finger brake and bend this metal and get this ECU mounted, hopefully. Oh, sorry. I think that's it right there. Pull this out and check. I don't know if you can see that, but that's the angle. Perfect. Nailed it. All right, cool. The starter?
I'm pretty sure I made it so it comes out, but we're gonna find out. If not, then it's staying in there.
But the other one looks bigger. Oh no, it's the same, huh?
Oh, yeah. I wanted a bigger one. They make like a 1.9 horsepower, but dude, I had to notch the corner of this tube to get it to fit.
Oh yeah, look at that. How funny.
Yeah, this is. Ooh.
Is it grimy in there?
Oh, is that one something like that?
Yeah. Same.
Oh,
That sounds the same.
it's a little louder, okay?
It's a little louder. All right. I'm gonna go try and tack this thing in. All right. So we're back here, and this is where this is gonna go. Something like that down there. I gotta trim it to length and stuff, but that's where that mount's gonna go. I'm gonna work on that, get some holes drilled in it for the bolts to go through it, line it up, weld it in, get it done. Well, I got my little mount kind of tacked in there for the ECU. I'm gonna weld it in and put it on. There it is, ECU's mounted. It's in there. This is a little mount that I made. You probably can't see it, but yeah. It's getting there. I don't know what else do I have to do. Oh, I have to make these couple mounts for back behind here to capture this stuff here. They're just gonna come straight from this tube straight down to that. Easy little pieces to make. And then wire it up. Take it for a test drive. Oh, I still have to fabricate the shaft here. And that one. A little bit to do. Yeah, I'm gonna have some lunch and get back at it. All right, I got a couple of tabs drawn up. Keep your dirty minds out of it. These are gonna be the tabs that go from here to here on the power steering unit and there to there. Yep. Everything else is pretty much tied in. You know, I gotta obviously have to do some electrical here, but I think that if I get these two tabs in today, I'm looking pretty good. Oh, I gotta do this. Yeah, you already said that before, but yep. Looking good for today. Head sparks are aimed right at my bike. Maybe I should turn this operation the other way. What a mess. Always a mess. So I hated those tabs, so I went to try to make them better, and I feel like I made them 10 times worse. So I'm scratching this for tonight, and I'm gonna redo that tomorrow. So that's where we are as of today. Peace.